In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, targeted segment you can use in emails, workflows, and reports. First, sign into your HubSpot account. On the login page, you can enter your credentials or use Sign In with Google if that's set up for your workspace. If you're prompted to choose a Google account or confirm multi-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that. Once you're in, pick the HubSpot account you want to work with if you have access to more than one. From the main navigation, head to the CRM area, then open Segments, sometimes labeled Lists, depending on your portal's wording. This is the home for all of your segmentation. Click Create Segment to start a new one. You'll be asked to choose a list type. In the left panel, select the object you want to segment. Contact-based lists focus on people and are ideal for marketing emails and lifecycle analysis. Company-based lists group organizations. Deal-based lists focus on opportunities in your pipeline, and you may also see options like ticket-based. Pick the one that matches your goal, then continue. Next, add your filters to define who belongs in the segment. You can filter by properties on the object you chose, and you can also reference related objects and activity. For example, contact properties like lifecycle stage, city, or industry, company properties like company size, deal properties like amount or stage, and activities such as form submissions, email opens, or call outcomes. You can combine filters with and or to get precise. For this walkthrough, we'll use a simple example. Set the property last contacted to is today. That means the list will capture records that were contacted on the current date through a supported activity. As you add criteria, keep an eye on the preview count to make sure the results look right. When you're satisfied, proceed to the processing options. Here, choose how the list updates. An active list updates automatically as records meet or no longer meet your filters, which is great for ongoing campaigns. A static list captures a one-time snapshot, useful for audits or lock-in audiences. Pick the option that fits your use case. Finally, save and process the segment. Give it a clear descriptive name so teammates understand its purpose, then confirm. HubSpot will build the list. Larger datasets can take a moment. Once it's ready, you can use the segment in marketing emails, enrollment triggers for workflows, ad audience syncing, or reporting filters. That's it. You've created a focused list in HubSpot, ready to power smarter engagement.